Hello students, welcome to my channel. This video's topic will be mass spectroscopy and we are doing MCQs on it. And this one is the fourth part on this topic. And let's start with the first question of this video. Which ionization technique involves the use of chemical reagent to ionize the sample? A. Electron ionization EI. B. Chemical ionization CI. C. Matrix assisted laser desorption ionization MALDI. And D. Electro spray ionization ESI. Correct one is B. Chemical ionization CI. And you should remember the short form of these terms because in exams the only the options are given in only short forms, so you should remember for answer the correct. Next, what is the purpose of vacuum system in mass spectrometer? A. To cool the ions. B. To increase ionization efficiency. C. To maintain a low pressure environment to prevent ion collision with gas molecules. And D. To provide a magnetic field. Correct one is C. What is the purpose of vacuum system? You know what is the vacuum. So vacuum system is C. To maintain a low pressure environment to prevent ion collision with gas molecules. Next, what is the principle behind a quadrupole mass analyzer? A. Ions are separated based on their time of flight through a field-free region. B. Ions are separated based on their velocity in magnetic field. C. Ions are separated based on their interaction with oscillating electric fields. D. Ions are separated based on their retention time in a column. Correct one is C. What is the quadrupole? Quadrupole is a oscillating electric field. So it is how its principle works. Ions separated based on their interaction with oscillating इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड्स. जो आयन्स है वो ऑसिलेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के साथ जो इंटरेक्शन है उसके बेसिस पे उनका सेपरेशन. नेक्स्ट है विच आयनाइजेशन मेथड इज ऑफन यूज फॉर प्रोटीन एंड पेप्टाइड्स एनालिसिस? A. Electro spray ionization. B. Chemical ionization. C. Electron ionization. And fourth, thermal ionization. Correct one is A. Electro spray ionization is specific use for protein and peptide analysis. Next, what is primary use of mass spectrometry in proteomics? A. To measure the melting point of proteins. B. To identify and quantify proteins in complex mixtures. And C. To determine the boiling point of proteins. And D. To assess the color of proteins. Correct one is B. To identify and quantify proteins in complex mixture. This is the primary use of MS for proteomics. To identify and quantify protein in complex. Next, which mass analyzer is known for its high sensitivity and ability to analyze complex mixtures? A. Quadrupole mass spectrometer. B. Ion trap mass spectrometer. C. Time of flight mass spectrometer. And D. Orbit trap mass spectrometer. Correct one is B. Ion trap mass spectrometer. नेक्स्ट है एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया. विच मास एनालाइजर, कौन सा मास एनालाइजर है जो हाईली सेंसिटिविटी रखता है किसके लिए? एबिलिटी टू एनालाइज कॉम्प्लेक्स मिक्सचर्स, विच इज आयन ट्रेप. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट इज मोलिक्यूलर आयन इन मास स्पेक्ट्रोमेट्री? मोलिक्यूलर आयन का मीनिंग क्या है? A. An ion that has lost an electron. B. Ion that has gained an electron. C. Ion that correspond to the intact molecule. And D. Ion that has been fragmented. Correct one is C. An ion that correspond to the intact molecule. जो intact molecule है उसको ना तो हमने इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोवाइड किया है ना उससे लॉस किया यानी कि उससे छीना है, वो उस मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर प्रेजेंट था, जैसा मॉलिक्यूल था वैसा ही हमने उसको रखा, तो उसको बोलेंगे मॉलिक्यूलर आयन, बिकॉज उसके ऊपर पहले से ही कोई ना कोई आयन चार्ज था. नेक्स्ट है Which type of mass spectrometer uses a magnetic field to separate ions based on their mass to charge ratio? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का यूज हो रहा है, ठीक है। ए क्वाड्रापोल मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर, बी आयन ट्रैप मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर, सी मैग्नेटिक सेक्टर मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर एंड डी टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर। करेक्ट वन इज सी, magnetic sector mass spectrometer, as it mentioned their name already in question, magnetic field. What is the function of ion source in mass spectrometer? Ion source का function पूछा है। A, to detect ions and produce a mass spectrum. B, to separate ions based on their mass to charge ratio. And C, to produce ions from the sample. And D, to provide a vacuum. Ions का जो ion source है उसका function क्या होगा? C, to produce ions from the sample. Next है, in mass spectrum, what does the term isotopic pattern refer to? A, the pattern of peaks corresponding to different isotope of an element. B, the pattern of peaks corresponding to different ions. C, the pattern of peaks corresponding to different molecules. And D, to the pattern of peaks corresponding to different fragmentation products. Correct one is A, the pattern of peaks corresponding to different isotopes of an element. आइसोटोपिक पैटर्न है तो वो आइसोटोप पे डिपेंड करेगा कि डिफरेंट एक जैसे कार्बन है उसके अलग अलग आइसोटोप्स होते हैं, 12, 13, 14, सबसे कॉमन होता है 12 और सबसे रेयरेस्ट होता है 14। तो उनके पीक डिफरेंट, जो एक ही मॉलिक्यूल के एलिमेंट के डिफरेंट आइसोटोप्स का पीक को डिफाइन करता है आइसोटोपिक पैटर्न। Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you have any query and any feedback about this video, then mention it in comment section of this video. Thank you so much.